What do you want from me?
Joseph, please calm down. I will.
There's nothing to explain. Nothing at all. Huh? Leave me alone.
Please hear me out. I was killed by my uncle.
So, you mean your uncle did this to you?
Yes. My uncle is planning to kill my mother and take over my father's properties. I never knew anyone could see me. I was surprised that day we met.
Wow. With the way you just described this your uncle, it shows that he is a very dangerous man. I don't have the will and what it takes to confront him.
Please, Joseph, help me. My soul will not rest in peace until my uncle pays for every evil he has committed. I know I'm trying to put you in a difficult position. Please help me. Please give it a second thought.